Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the web intelligence data calculation, how we can perform the data calculation. So there are two main things in web intelligence data calculation. One is formula and the other one is variable. So what is formula? So formula when there is a need like to perform specific calculations tailored to their requirement, business requirement to satisfy the user's need, we can use formulas and variables to calculate and display such information. So formula is a calculation that you create to display data that is not retrieved by an existing objects in the universe. So based on the existing objects in the universe, we will create a calculation, or we can just create a separate calculation which is not available in the existing objects in the universe. So how we can add the formulas? There are two ways. One is just type and or drag and drop, or use a formula editor. So formula editor is for the new users or developers, and this formula toolbar is for the experienced users. So let's see means how the formula editor uh, means we can use. Means once we click on this effects icon here, you will see the new window will get open, which is nothing but a formula editor. So formula editor will have this empty box where we can put in the details about the calculations which we wanted to perform. Below we'll see available objects, functions and operators, means as and when, means how it requires, means we can use these objects or any from the existing objects if you want to perform some calculations, or if we just wanted to display something. So that way we can use these existing objects. If there are any additional inbuilt functions we want to use, that also we can use it here. Okay, so and once we click means select this formula, then we can just click on this tick mark which will validate the expression. Okay, so this is the way. The other way is there is a box here, means which we can just type it the formula there, and with this is that is for the experienced users. Coming to the variable, so variable is a formula that you save with a name. So it's nothing but a formula, but we just save it with a name. So a qualification is assigned to the variable which is based on the formula. So a variable acts an objects in the document and displays in the available objects panel in the web intelligence main window, similar to any other objects. So we can use in the report same like that of other objects. So what are the advantages of the variable? So we can reuse the formula without having to enter it each time. We can be used in any report in the document as variable acts as an object, useful when you require a calculation and plan to use it more than once and in a different blocks and report pages within the document. So these are the advantages of the variables. So how to create a variable from formula, means we have the existing formula there and we want to create a new variable from it. Means how we can do it? On the formula bar we can just choose create variable and give the name of the variable name and then qualification and choose value. So how we can do this? Let's see this snapshot where on the available objects pan you will see on the left side there is a variables folder. I, once you right click on that, you will get an option new variable. Once you click on new variable, a new window will open which will ask for the variable name, then qualification, whether it is a dimension, measure or attribute, or type, whether it is a string, number, that means numeric, or any other data type if required. And formula, we can specify here the formula whatever. So based on the available objects, functions or operators available here, we can just type in the formula here, and once we're done with, means we can just click on this OK. So once we click on OK, the variable will be available here, which will be act as an objects, and we can use that objects everywhere in the document, in multiple reports or anywhere, means wherever you want. So that is the main advantage with that we can reuse the variable. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Let's check your understanding, means what is formula and what are the advantages of the creating variable. So formula is calculation that you create to display data that is not retrieved by an existing objects in the universe. And the second one is what are the advantages of creating a variable? We can reuse the formula without having to enter it each time. Can be used in any report in the document as a variable acts as an object. Useful when you require a calculation and plan to use it more than once and in a different blocks and report pages within the document. Okay, so this is all about variables and formulas related to the data calculations, the web intelligence document. I hope you must have understood these concepts. If you have any questions, you can just put in comment section. I will be happy to answer it. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching my video.